Hi! In front of me is Realme C33 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to open the Recorder app. Then choose while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. And when you're ready, tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and in order to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now click on the same right button over here, this time with 3 lines, to access the list of all your recordings. In order to play one of them, just click on it. If you wish to rename it, you need to go back, hold it, click on those 3 dots at the top right corner and choose Rename option. Then type in wherever you wish to and hit Save. If you wish to delete your recording though, you need to hold it again, but this time select this bin icon and choose Allow in the pop-up. In order to adjust some recording settings, you need to go back, tap on this gear icon, and adjust all of them however you wish to, like format. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!